What's happening, everybody? I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and thank you so much for coming to the channel again. Today we have a quick video, very simple. We're changing out the side markers on the EVO. So normal stock EVO X side marker is just an amber blinker. That's all it is. So what we got today is we picked these up. It's plug and play. It's nothing crazy. So they're smoked out sequential turn signal side markers. So ideally it should be a sequential turn. Or a sequential marker. We'll see how that works out, if they actually are sequential, if they're even good, or if it's worth it. I picked these up for $25, so they're nothing crazy, and if they don't work, we'll just keep it stock. So what we're going to do is we're going to show the before and afters of the stock and aftermarket, and yeah, enjoy. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and let's go do this. So here's what the stock looks like. You can't really see it that well because it is daylight. But it is just a stock amber turn signal, just blinking, that's all. What we're going to do is we're going to change this out. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to push the side marker backwards and the front should pop out. So you're going to pop it out, yep, just like this. So you're going to see you have the side marker popped out. Oh. Now make sure you don't drop this cable in here, because if you do, I hate to say it, but I don't know if you're going to get it back. Alright, so now, like I said before, it's plug and play. You take the cable, plug this in, boom, it's in. What you're going to do is, you're going to take the back of the side marker, let's take this off for now. You're going to take the back of the side marker, put it in, and then just pop the front back in. And let's check it out. Ooh, very nice. Okay. Yeah, so there is a big difference. It is sequential. It looks very clean. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to leave a like, maybe even a comment of what you'd like to see more on this channel. And as always, peace.